Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to our channel, and now I will show you top 10 insurance company in USA 2022. Let's find that insurance company. Top 10 insurance company in USA 2022 in June. This is top auto insurance companies in 2022. First one, USA best overall car insurance company. Number 2, Clear Cover best for digital presence. Number 3, Zico best for driving incidents. Number 4, State Farm best overall car insurance company. Number 5, Travelers best for personalized coverage. Number 6, ED best for robust coverage. And number 6, Auto Owners best for discounts. Let's find USA insurance company. Now I'll show you USA insurance company's website interface. This is USA insurance company's website interface. And they have too much facilities for home insurance and car insurance also. And you will know this website and this company is professionally first period, first line of favorite. Those are army, military, defense. Their protection rate is high. This is military based website. This is logon option, and this is retirement, banking, and this is search option. You can register and log in by clicking here. If you are not a member of USA insurance company, you can register for access, then you can log on. Next, the insurance company is Clear Cover. Let's see this insurance company. This is clear cover interface. You can see this is press release. But I need clear cover insurance. This is option check your price. Let's see Zico Insurance Company. This is Zico Insurance Company website interface. They have too much different type of insurance category, that is auto insurance, homeowners insurance, renters insurance, motorcycle ATV boat insurance. Everything is here, and that is their insurance company's information. 85 years of experience, 500 plus average annual savings. Customer satisfaction rating is 97%. All thing is here. Let's see State Farm Insurance Company. This site is too much good. You can trust this site, and this is number 4th position. So viewers, thanks for watching this video.